Hello there, I'm Kole from CADE, and I talk about anything and everything to do with architecture and interior design. And today on Cagitator, we are going to talk about join. Now, join is something that is kind of a shortcut for PEDIT. So join is when you're trying to put two lines together and make them one. This is similar to PEDIT, but it is much faster. So let me just quickly get right to it. So if I drew two lines, that's one line, and I had another line like that. See, there are two different lines. So if I delete this, it's gonna go. The only way to delete both of them at the same time is to highlight them, right? But if I decided that I want these two lines to become one line, I'll just have to type join. And you always have to make sure that the two ends are touching. So I type join, I click on one line, click on the other line, press enter, and you can see that it says one segment added to polyline. So it's one piece, it's one line right there. So I can go again if I wanted to, polyline like this, polyline like this. And even if I wanted to try even just a normal line, not even a polyline, just a normal line like that. So if I typed join or J, I'll click on all three, 1, 2, 3 lines, and its two segments have become one. So you see, all of them have become a single line. So that is just like join. Join is just a quicker version of PEDIT. I was looking online that there's a little bit of a difference, but for most architects and most designers, join would work just as much as PEDIT, but join would be much faster. Anyways, that was a quick tutorial for today. Thank you and have an awesome day. Please don't forget to hit the like button. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to bring someone here in case they wanted to know how this works. And I will catch you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.